Okay, I'm back, and this is video number 2, and this is when I'm gonna install the glass, the front glass. On video number 1, you seen how I removed the glass. The battery had died out on me, but you see, as you can see, it's working. So I'll make sure it's all cleaned up, no lint, no dust in there. Okay. And this is the glass I'm gonna put on there. So now we get our LOCA. This LOCA here is called Optical LOCA. I want you guys to get a real good view on here. So as you can see, this is the pattern that I made. And there we can see it. There you go. So now, I'll take the plastic off the lens. And don't forget to put your tape. I use this double-sided adhesive tape to hold down the front touchpad buttons, just like this. And then I'm gonna remove the tape adhesive, and then I'll go ahead and put my new glass right on there. I don't know if you guys can see it on here. Turn it off. And just like that, that's it, it's on there. So now we got to use our UV light. Sorry for all this movement on the camera. So as you can see, I have it on there. Just some small pieces where it looks like air pockets, but they'll come off as soon as the LOCA cures. So first you want to do is hold on to it like so as we stick in just the first part, or you can do it all at one time. Just make sure you pushing down on the glass a little bit to get all the bubbles out. It's recommended to leave it in there about 3 to 5 minutes. It doesn't hurt if you leave it in there longer. As you can see, it has already cured for the most part. Right now I'm just cleaning up the a little bit of LOCA that oozed out on the sides, which is not much. And there it is, front glass replacement. The LOCA that I sell online, I find it to be one of the best LOCAs. That's why I bought it in bulks and started selling it. There's other LOCAs out there, but I find them, some are a little harder to work with. Some are too thick, some are too thin, real watery. You don't want that. So I'll leave it in there for about, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then he'll be good to go. And remember, this is the LOCA. It comes in an amber UV protective tubing, so you don't have to worry about putting it in here or anything like that, because it won't cure because of the UV light protecting. So please thumbs up like always, and subscribe. I'll be making more videos on the iPhone 5, iPhone 4. I have the cradle to do them. And thank you very much. Have a good day.